Now I am going to search as WPS Office. Now straight away it has been shown as WPS Office free Office suite for Word, PDF, Excel. Now I am going to install that. Now it's going to install. Now the WPS Office is going to be installed. Now the installation is completed. This is secure to use. Now I will open it. Now I will go to the app and here I will give access your documents anytime and anywhere. This will be agreed from me, okay? Now I have been agreed. Here this have been given. I am not going to log in, so I am going to give skip. I have gave skip. Here allow WPS Office to access photos, medias and files on your device. This have been given here. I am going to give allow. Here we will give later, and I am going to do a new PPT in this. So I am going to press this PPT. Here I will give this blank option. Here we have one layout like double tap to add title and double tap to add subtitle. Now I am going to give. Now I have double tapped the title and I am going to give social science. And the subtitle is history. Here I am going to select social science. I have selected it and I am going to make it so bigger. Here I am giving, see here A plus is an option for us to make the text bigger. Okay, now we can make it bigger. And history subtitle also I am going to make it bigger, so I am going to select it. For selecting it, we just want to keep our fingers in that text. Now I am going to give A plus. Here it is showing increase font size. See here it is coming as very big text. Now we have made a layout like social science history. Now I am going to make social science as a I am going to make social science in another text. It is in Calibri Light. See here font styles are many there, but here all is there, no? There we want to pay cash. If we press that, it will show like lifetime 440 rupees. We don't want that, so we can see many fonts after that rupees. If there is rupees we want to pay, see here the rupees symbol will be shown, so we can see after that there will be system fonts with marks cannot be displayed on for. We can see the indents. See, the text is being changed. We can just select it and see here social science, and we can see what text is that and we can select it. Now I am going to choose AW Chinatown Grotesque semi-bold. Now I am going to come back. I am going to press this arrow mark to come back. If I want that to be bold, I will give this B as bold. Now I have made bold. Now I don't want to be bold. Now it is italic. I want to make it italic. So I will make it italic. See here italic is been changed as italic. Now I want to underline it. So I have been underlined it. I don't want italic. So see here, now underline have been gone. See here, this yes symbol is shadow. So if I give that, the shadow is seen there. See there? Now the shadow is not there. Now the shadow is there. And another feature in this is, if we want social signs in bigger, we can make it bigger like this. If we want it smaller, we can make it like this. And also we can move it. If we just, if I have pressed this social signs, it have been selected. If I have pressed this white color background, it have been not selected. Now I am going to just now see here, if I am selecting social signs, I am just long pressing it and here lines are being shown. Now I am moving social signs up. See, social signs have been moved up. History also I can move. See here, and I am going to make history small. See here, we can also make social signs backgrounds. See here, text color is shown. In home, if I am coming out, here four squares are being shown. I am going to press it and here home option is there. I am going to press it and here text color is there. I am going to choose a text color which I want. I am going to choose blue color. I have been choose blue color and I want to make a background color for social signs. I am going to make a background color for it. Here I am going to press text box. See here, near to home we have a option like text box. I am going to press it and we have a option like fill color. I am going to press it more. If you want more colors, here 3 dots are being shown. I am going to press it and we have many colors to do. I am going to give yellow and I gave yellow. Now we can give borders to the box, that is text box. We can give borders. I am going to give border for it. Here we have an option like border colors. I am going to give it. This two I am going to give as purple. No purple, blue. I have gave blue. We also have border styles which we want we can give. I am going to give this one. And border thickness, if we want border thick as we want, there is an 5 options which we want. If 1 pt, this will be like this, and 2 pt it will be than thicker than 1 pt, 3 pt is than 2 pt, 4 pt is than 3 pt. Now 5 pt is the higher thickness for the border. I have gave 5 pt. And we also can give for history. Now I am going to give for text box and I am going to give an border color for it. I am going to give blue and 5 pt. I am also going to give fill color for it. That's also blue. I am going to give text color now. If we only choose the text, we can change its what we can say color or what we want. Only we can do like that. If we don't choose that, we will not see any changes what we did. Now I am going to choose this history and I am going to give text color and I am going to give blue as I gave as border, and I am going to give text box and I am going to fill color. I am giving as yellow. Now I have a history color like this. I like this color. I am going to do like this. Now if we want, you can ask can we give wallpapers which we want. Now we can do that also. If we want that, we can also do that. Now I am going to give design and I am going to give slide back. Here an option is there like slide background, clear current background I am going to give, and background color is there for us. We can also choose background color, and if we have pictures with us which we download or which we have in our album, we can also select that. I am going to give an picture which I want in a background. This is pictures. Now I am going to give downloads. Now I am going to give just this. If I have selected it, there will be an option in the end corner of right side. I am going to give OK. The crop option will be shown for us. I am going to select this position which I want, and I gave crop. See here in the end of right side, I am going to give crop. See here we got an wallpaper which we want. Now we can do like this one PPT. Now I am going to give a next layout which I want. If you are going to give picture and a title, we can also do like that. I am going to give a picture and a title. In the second layout, I am going to give an subtitle for it. I am just going to give history. This also I am going to give history. And if we want to type, we should double tap it. There also, see here in the picture also it will have been given. If we double tap only, we can text it. Okay. Now I am going to give social science. Now I gave social science. I want history bigger than what I want. I am going to select it. I have selected it and I am increasing its size. I have increased, and now I am going to double tap to give an picture in this layout. If you want subtitle, if you are giving one head, what to say, if you are giving one title for it, like if now we are going to do chapter 2 in history, that is new kings and kingdoms. I am going to give new kings, and if I am going to give new kings and kingdoms, I want to give subtitles which is related to that. If I give social science, so history is related to social science, and if we give picture that want to be related to the content which we gave, I am going to give an picture which I want. For this, I have gave a closer look the class, that is page 22 in history book. I have gave that page in this, and I am going to give an wallpaper for this. I am also going to design again and select from album, and again downloads, and again I am going to give this. We can straight away also we can select it, or also we can go to that picture and see, we can see what picture is that, and we can select it and we can give OK. Now I am going to crop it. I have cropped it. See here, I have an layout. I have a second layout which I want. We can do continuously which we want. Okay. Now if we want new new title to be text, we can give text box to be typed. See here, I am giving text box, and new text box is given for us to type. See here, if I want to delete it, an option have been given for us to delete. There are many layouts for us to give. Now we have many layouts for us to do like this, and I am going to. We have also transitions. Transitions means if we have first layout like this, if we want to go to second layout, if it is playing, if we want to go to second layout, if we want transition, we can do it. If we don't want, we can also give no. I am going to give apply all to all slides. I have applied it. See here, the transition effect have been given to all. It have been shown. Now we have an here turn ink off, that is on. I am going to off it, and use finger, it is there. I am going to on it, and there is an option for us which is pen, highlighter and eraser. There are 5 colors for us: orange, red, yellow, blue and black. There are thickness for us which we want. I am going to give last thickness. If I am giving that, I am going to click here, and I am going to give 10, and I am going to select an red color. Now I am going to just do, this is doodle, they will call as doodle. This is called doodle. We can also do it in it. If we want to erase, we can just erase in 1 minute. That's all. And in insert option, we have many options. We have also shape option. If we want to give any shapes like round, I am going to give it. If we want to make it big like this, for all like this only, I am going to make it big. And we can also edit it. See here, edit means we can type also inside that circle. I am going to delete it. I am giving delete option. I have deleted it, and there are many options for us in insert option. If I am giving a layout just blank, see here we have a layout like this blank. I am giving an option like this. This is third layout. I am going to go for insert, and we can straight away give as picture. We have just seen second layout as picture and title. Now we are going to see blank. Now I am going to give picture in that. This is my last layout in this PPT. So I have gave a thank you picture in it, or otherwise if you want, I am giving another blank layout in fourth. If you want, you can also text it. We also have align button in this. See here, near to text colors. See here, we have align options. I am giving in this center. I am just moving it in center, and I am making it big. How much big I want, I am making it. We can also make it colorful. On wallpaper which you want, you can make it. I'll just do it and show. If we just press this quick style near to font, see here, if I press font near to it, I have a brush with square. If I press it, all options which I said will be seen to you. If you are going to give in point fully, see here, we have many options here. Like this point, we have many options for point. See here, we have bullets and numbers. See here, square, diamond. See here, we have tick, round, 1A. We have 1, 2, 3. This 1 will be inside the round, and in Roman numerals ABC we have like this. And if we don't want, we can give none. There will be many options in home also. In the end we have this option, and align text also we have in this also. I am giving it in center. If we give like this, I have selected it, and I am going to see here. I'm just making it in center. It is in center. So we have like this many. We have also tables in this, with how many rows we want. There will be 6 rows, 6 columns. See here, there will be many options in this insert and home. There will be colors also for us, table styles. If I give cancel, that will be cancelled, and if I give OK, it will be OK. We also have a chart for us. See here, there is column chart, area chart. If you don't want it, we can give just none. You also can give audio. There is a select audio, choose music track or select track. I am not going to give audio if I don't want it, so I am not going to give. Background music, video, all which we want, we can give in this software. So that's all, friends. This is an PPT, and I am going to, if in this end of left side top corner, I have an option like done. I have made it, and see here near to edit, I have an save option. I am going to choose an location which I want to be saved. I am going to give my documents, and it will be saved. See here, it have been given as WPS Office Social Science. This we want to give as PDF and export to PDF. See here, saving, it have been saved. If we play this, we can now just, if we tap, we can just, if we share the screen in the class, we can just do like this. We can also doodle it. See here, we can just point out, and we can just doodle it, and we can highlight it and show. We can also erase. See here, I have erased, and if we don't want that, we can just give wrong. If we just give next thank you to all, that will be shown to all of them. Thank you. Next we can see how to make an PPT.